Welcome back to Mumford Restoration. We're showing you things that have come in or going out of the shop. Please go to our site, mumfordrestoration.com, and let us know what we can restore for you. So today we have a really cool, what we're calling the lion piece. This is for a customer that's had several projects that we've done together. And you've seen the photos now of what the before looked like. It was incredible. It was so dry. It looked like it had been stripped and all the finish removed. And it was shipped to us from Dallas, Texas. So we didn't really get any history of it, but I think it's English. We see the folks with the collars, English or Austrian, but English is more of my thought. We show the activity going on here, the collars, the horses, and the background. And then you see that it's a entry bench. So it has a giant mortise lock, and it looks to me to be just about 1800. So I would say definitely 19th century, somewhere in about 1800, 1805. It could be a little earlier than that, but I haven't done much more homework on that. You see the gentlemen here with their hats and their dress and their attire and their swords. Looks English to me. And definitely the lion feet show that. And you see how the feet are turned some? Now obviously it's sitting on a cart. You know, it's kind of an ugly cart, so you have to delete that from your mind while you're looking at how beautiful this piece is going to be sitting on the floor. And we're about to deliver it to Western North Carolina again for him to put in the entry. So this was split down the middle. We repaired that, and we've done what we call a walnut stain. We've done a clear finish, and we've gone to satin. We don't want it to be too shiny. Now you're seeing sunlight on this right now. It looks a bit reflective, but when you get it in the house and you're not right in front of a window, the sheen looks like, well, it's got a finish, but it's not too shiny. And this is part of what we try to accomplish, is that, man, we don't want this thing to look plasticky or cheap. We want it to look rich like it did when it was first made. So this is our best semblance of that. So take a look at those befores and see what a drastic change, and we're proud of our team for doing that. Thanks for watching.